Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. Today we are going to study about PM Kusum, a very important scheme. As you all know that when it comes to schemes, legislations, acts or any welfare program or measures that the government launches, it becomes automatically important for your preliminary examination as well as mains GS paper 2 and GS paper 3. These two papers, paper 2 and paper 3 in mains, are really important. You have to focus on them a lot because they involve all the current events, all the current happenings around you. So you have to be quick on your current events revision part. Okay. So today that the scheme that we are going to discuss is important not just for 2021 aspirants but also for 2022, 2023 and 24 aspirants. Let's all start with discussing what is PM Kusum. We will also understand the benefits of the scheme. We will understand the objectives, why it is launched and what is the progress so far. So without any delay, let's begin. Also the class PDF will be uploaded on the Telegram channel. The link is given below in the description box of the video. The name of the Telegram channel is Simplifying UPSC with Ease. You just have to download or install the Telegram learning app, and after installing the Telegram app you have to search Simplifying UPSC with Ease or just click on the link which I have given you in the description box below this video, and you can download the notes, resources and other you can say handmade PDFs from the channel itself. So recently the first farm-based solar power plant under the Prime Minister's Kisan Urja Suraksha Evam Utthan Mahabhiyan scheme has come up in Jaipur. Jaipur's district Kotputli Tehsil with a provision for production of 17 lakh units of electricity every year. तो अभी recently क्या हुआ है, ये जो PM Kusum scheme है, Kusum means you have to remember K for Kisan, that is farmer, U for Urja, that is energy, Suraksha, that is protection, Evam means and, Utthan means progress, empowerment, uplifting, Mahabhiyan. ओके तो ये जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर की कुसुम स्कीम है, इसके तहत इसके अंडर पहला फार्म बेस्ड सोलर पावर प्लांट स्टैब्लिश किया गया है जयपुर के कोटपुतली तहसील के डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, जहां पर ये जो पावर प्लांट है ये 17 लाख यूनिट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के हर साल बनाएगा, प्रोड्यूस करेगा. पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया? दैट इज व्हाई इट वाज इन न्यूज. So PM Kusum scheme, it was launched by, you have to remember the name of the ministry as well, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Why it was launched by this ministry? To support installation of off-grid solar pumps in the rural areas and reduce dependence on the grid in grid-connected areas. जितने भी रूरल एरियाज हैं वहां पर ऑफ ग्रिड सोलर पंप्स को इंस्टॉल किया जाए, ग्रिड्स पर जो डिपेंडेंसी होती है उसको रिड्यूस किया जाए और ये सोलर पंप्स रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी को यूज करके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोवाइड करेंगे इन एरियाज में. कैबिनेट कमिटी ऑन इकोनॉमिक अफेयर्स, दैट इज CCEA, had in Feb 2019 approved the launch of this scheme. तो CCEA ने अप्रूव किया स्कीम को लॉन्च करना, एंड वंस इट वाज अप्रूव्ड इट वाज लॉन्च्ड अंडर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ न्यू एंड रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी. Now here the objective of launching this scheme was providing financial and water security. ये initial objective था, water security provide करना, rural areas में financial security provide करना. But in government's budget for 2020-21, the scope or the objective of this scheme was expanded. इसके objective को बढ़ा दिया गया, expand कर दिया गया. Now it was said that this scheme will help 20 lakh farmers. The scheme will help 20 lakh farmers. It will provide them assistance. Assistance means help in installing standalone solar pumps. Standalone solar pumps, that means no dependency on the grid. Okay, and extra 15 lakh farmers will be helped to solarize their grid connected pump sets. मान लीजिए जो farmers हैं उनके जो pump sets हैं, सोलर पंप सेट्स हैं, वो ग्रिड कनेक्टेड है, तो उनको भी सोलराइज कराने की, डिपेंडेंसी कम कराने की मदद दी जाएगी स्कीम के तहत. So this will enable the farmers to set up solar power generation capacity. अपने बंजर जमीन पर वो solar power generation capacity को enhance कर सकते हैं और ग्रिड को बेच सकते हैं, and they can sell it to the grid connectors or grid distributors. They can earn इनडायरेक्टली क्या होगा, उनकी इनकम ही तो बढ़ाई जा रही है ना। सो हियर पीएम कुसुम कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 कंपोनेंट्स। इसके 3 पार्ट्स हैं, स्कीम के 3 कंपोनेंट्स हैं। इसका एम है कि 2022 तक जो हमारी टोटल सोलर कैपेसिटी है उसमें 30.8 गीगावाट सोलर कैपेसिटी और ऐड कर दी जाए। So first component is 10,000 megawatt of decentralized ground mounted grid connected renewable power plants. Component B is installation of 2 million standalone solar powered agriculture pumps, and component C, that is part C of the scheme, is solarization of 1.5 million grid connected solar powered agriculture pumps. That you have to remember. ठीक है, ये आपको पॉइंट याद रखना है। अब देखो यहाँ कंपोनेंट बी में इट इज नॉट ग्रिड कनेक्टेड द सोलर पावर्ड एग्रीकल्चर पंप्स, बट कंपोनेंट सी में दे आर ग्रिड कनेक्टेड। ओके, before we move any forward, this is a small announcement for all of you. Unacademy is launching UPSC Combat, which is an all India free scholarship test for UPSC aspirants. This test will take place on every Sunday, and recently it is going to take place on 29th of August at 11 AM in the morning. It is an all India free scholarship test, so you have a chance to win a scholarship from a pool of rupees 4 crore. This will be conducted on every Sunday 11 AM in the morning. It will be a live test. You will be given 56 questions to solve in 60 minutes, and it will be based on the same pattern as that of your UPSC prelims examination. Rank 1 to 3 will win 1 year UPSC CSE plus subscription. Rank 4 to 10 will win 75% scholarship. Rank 11 to 50 are going to get 50% scholarship, and rank 51 to 500 will win 25% scholarship. So you have your invite code ARPITA10. Click on the link given below in the description box. Make sure that you have already installed the Unacademy learning app. Then use code ARPITA10 and enroll in this free scholarship test today. अभी आने वाले संडे को ये टेस्ट होने वाला है 11 बजे। हर संडे को होता है सुबह 11 बजे। डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू गिव दिस टेस्ट लाइव। नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ पीएम कुसुम स्कीम। फर्स्ट बेनिफिट इज दैट इट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प द फार्मर्स, because see, farmers are going to solarize their solar pumps and then they will sell it to the grid. So if farmers are able to sell surplus powers or extra power, they will be given bonus, they will be given incentives to save power. Okay, and then it will enhance the efficient use of groundwater. It will increase the income of the farmers also. It will provide water security to farmers also if they have solar water pumps both off grid and grid connected. Now secondly, it is going to help the environment. Expansion of irrigation cover by using solar energy, renewable energy, and avoiding the polluting diesel, that will help the environment also. It will help the states also. It will promote decentralized solar power production. So it is going to reduce the transmission losses. Okay. Then it is going to help the DISCOMs also. DISCOMs means the electricity distribution companies, because it is going to reduce the burden of subsidy to the agriculture sector. Okay, and it will also help the DISCOMs to meet their renewable purchase obligation targets also. For example, 2022 तक का अगर टारगेट अचीव हो जाता है तो DISCOMs के ऊपर जो प्रेशर है वो भी कम होगा. Now there are other alternatives also. Apart from switching to solar power, farmers should also switch over to drip irrigation mode. Now drip irrigation, question on drip irrigation was asked in 2016 prelims examination. तो drip irrigation में क्या होता है? There is a pipe which is laid down over the fields. Okay, these are the plants, and above all these plants there is, in the pipe which is laid down, there is a hole. Okay, and the water drops from this hole on the roots of the plants. So this saves the amount of water also. It reduces the wastage of water. वैसे क्या होता है, पाइप लेकर आप इरिगेट करने लगते हो, वेस्टेज होता है क्योंकि पानी उस जगह भी जाता है जहां जरूरत नहीं है उसकी. ड्रिप इरिगेशन में क्या होगा, जहां जहां प्लांट्स के रूट्स है वहां एक पाइप ले डाउन कर दी जाती है. ठीक है, और पाइप्स में उसी जगह पर होल कर दिया जाता है जहां रूट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स है, तो वहीं से पानी टपकता है और रूट्स को इरिगेट करता है. सो डायरेक्ट द रूट्स आर इरिगेटेड. दैट इज द ड्रिप इरिगेशन मेथड, एंड इट वाज आस्क्ड इन 2016 prelims question paper. So this was all about PM Kusum scheme. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. If you really enjoyed it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And also if you have any doubts, you can ask them through the comment section which is given below this video. On this note, we are wrapping up the class. You can download the class PDF from the Telegram channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.